Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our brand new Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door. It's got a brand new conversion on it. It's a brand new van. Get right to the conversion. Manual trunk lid there, very easy to operate. I can operate this entire system with 2 fingers. Look here. It's got the 2 clamps on it. I love this system here. It keeps the ramp from rattling in the back. They have some of these rear entries where it kind of pulls over in the middle. It's not a good design. They're going to end up rattling on you. So just kind of give you a little insight from someone that's done this for a while. Handle on the driver's side or passenger side. I'm going to use the passenger side one here. And look, this is spring assisted. I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide. There's 56.5 inches of room coming inside the van. There's 58.5 inches of room of headroom inside the van. This van has 8 tie-down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 all the way up front. This will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. It's a 94-inch deep canal here. It's got the middle row of seats. Between those seats is 21 inches of room. A lot of times customers will just put their legs up between the seats if they're carrying a single chair. Sometimes they'll remove a seat, maybe even 2, to make a little bit more room in there. There's all kinds of things we can do to these vans to make them accommodate what you're looking for. We can put different seats in, seats that fold up. Talk to us. Let us know how we can help build this van exactly the way you want it. There's not much to show on this van. It is brand new, as in it has 10 miles on it, straight from the factory from Dodge. Has the steering wheel controls, whether you're driving or your family or your employees. Helps them keep their eyes on the road. They can adjust the radio right there. Does have the backup camera as well. Speaking of safety, helps your employees, or again you or family, when you're backing up, see what's behind it. Dual climate control. Driver can be 1 temperature, passenger can be a 2nd, and your passengers in the rear can even be a 3rd. So you can actually have 3 climates going on in this van at one time. And again, this van's brand new. We do put the plastic over the driver's seat, and down on the floor. We want this van to remain brand new condition for when you get it. Has the rear air controls in back as well. You can see the window sticker over there. We've got all your passengers secure. Come on back out. Lift it up again with 1 finger. Latch it back down. These are so nice. They're very easy to operate. There's so little to go wrong. And yes, they are ADA compliant. Meaning if you want to use this for a nursing home or a taxi or anything of that nature, you can. And of course, it makes a great van for families as well. On the walk around, I'm going to make it quick. Has the tinted windows in the rear. This is buying a brand new van right off the lot. No scratches, no dings, no dents. Comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Dodge. Comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Dodge. We do sell very affordable extended warranties. Talk to us about those. Dodge used to go to 100,000 miles on their warranty. Now they go to 60. Extended warranties are very valuable. We sell ones that go all the way up to 120,000 miles. So you can actually double the powertrain warranty and it's more of a factory type warranty. Inside the van, you can see 10 miles on this van. I'm going to turn it on. Comes with 2 key fobs. Got the backup camera like I mentioned. Very handy for safety. Let's pop the hood real quick. Underneath the hood, not much to see. Has a 3.6 V6, brand new, warranted. So I'll keep this video as short as possible, just trying to show you underneath the van. Again, all brand new. So you can buy from a lot of companies out there. Keep in mind, we don't have any hidden administrative or document fees. A lot of companies will try to tack on a $400 fee or $1,000 in tags and things like that, administrative fees. We don't do that. What you see is what you get. Our price includes free shipping. We pay the free average shipping rate to get this to your home or your business. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have over 500 positive reviews on eBay and 0 negative reviews. We've been in business almost 8 years now. Folks, we're not a fly-by-night. We stand by our product. We get out and make videos of our product, and our ratings speak for themselves. So if you have any questions over this van or would like to come see it, please always schedule an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. Give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Check us out 24 hours a day at mobility316.com. www.mobility316.com. Check out our spot in Dallas as well, www.bigtexmobility.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.